Erica.
Hi.
Do you want to show me what we found today?
So while we were shopping, looking for Thanksgiving stuff, I found this.
Now show me what that is.
It's a magic grow.
A magic grow. Let's take a look. It says magic grow capsules. Drop in water, watch them form into fun shapes. We got sea animals, 18 of them. We got a tuna, we got a crab, 3 styles, 18 pieces. Ooh, we got an octopus, seahorse,
A squid.
A squid, yeah. All kinds of cool stuff.
A sperm whale.
You bet. So,
This is probably my favorite.
which one do you think we're gonna get?
We don't know yet.
All right, so we have ourselves a little bucket of warm water. So let's start pulling this thing open.
I'm gonna get this thing open.
Ooh, those are super tiny. You gotta put those in that little crab dish.
Yeah, I have to, because I don't want to lose them, right? It's so hard to find these things. Get the different colors. You never know which one's which. And the last one, another red.
All right, you got all of them?
Yep.
All 18. All right, which one do you think you're gonna grab first?
I would like to grab the cleanest one, which is this one.
The blue?
This blue one.
Which one of these do you think it's going to be?
I'm not sure.
We have the tuna,
I think
crab,
it's gonna be the squid.
the
That's what I
dolphin,
think.
the lobster, the sperm whale, the largest creature,
Yep.
the manta ray, the squid, the sailfish, the octopus, shark, killer whale, and seahorse.
We're not sure which one's which.
Which one do you guys hope for? I'm hoping for the seahorse. That's the one I'm hoping for first.
The one I'm hoping for is the giant squid.
The giant squid?
Yep, giant squid.
That sounds pretty cool. That's reasonable. All right, let's take a look. We got our pot of warm water ready. Let's go.
Do you think it's gonna stuck to your yo. Let's take it out.
Oh my.
It's a tail.
It's a tail.
So it's definitely not
It's
the
a whale of a tail. I think we got ourselves a whale, ladies and gentlemen. We got a whale. We got a sperm whale.
We got the sperm whale.
We got the whale.
Sperm whale.
We did. We got a whale.
Whoop, whoop.
Check it out.
I'm gonna get
We
it.
got a whale. We got ourselves a beautiful blue whale. We were both wrong. Check it out.
We were both wrong.
Our beautiful blue whale. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one are we going to do next? What do you think?
This one.
That one? All right, hold on a second.
I think it's gonna be the squid.
Beautiful guy. There he is. All right, ready for the second one?
Yeah, this is the one that we already got. It's because we were both wrong, and this is the next one that we're gonna try.
It's the yellow one?
Yep.
I think this yellow one is going to be.
I guess it's gonna
Let me look
be.
at it. I think it's going to be the tuna.
No, I think it's gonna be the squid.
Hoping for the squid again?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Because squids are my favorite.
It's amazing. Oop. What do we have? What do we have?
Unravel it. Unravel it.
Oh, my goodness. What is this? What is this? What do you think that is?
I think it's the.
Another sperm whale.
Sperm.
All right, what we did goes back in here. All right, I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose...
I see a red one.
Red one.
Can I open it?
Yep.
Open it. It feels like you're supposed to open the top off.
right, there we go.
Oh, I wonder what it's gonna be.
I wonder if we're gonna get another whale.
I think we're gonna get our first different kind.
Hope we get a crab.
I hope we're gonna get a squid. I hope we're gonna get. I think so. When you unravel it, make sure to put it back in the water.
Ooh, stuck to my finger.
Ooh, I'm running.
All
It's
right.
a squid!
Is it a squid?
Yes!
I think you got a squid.
My favorite. Hold on, this is my favorite thing that I wanted to do.
She wanted to use the tongs.
Yeah, I wanted to use tongs.
You got it?
Yep.
Give it a squeeze. Oh no!
It fell out. Oh!
Yeah, you got a squid! Woohoo! Try again.
Grab by the head.
You
I can't believe it!
sure
We got
did.
our first different one. I thought it was a sperm whale at first. It's definitely the squid.
Definitely a squid, yeah. Check it out, it's a squid!
Yeah!
Yeah,
It's
we
like-
got a squid.
It's like that from the regular show. Like,
Definitely. Oh, you definitely got a squid.
it's definitely sticky.
Yeah,
Like a real squid.
that was some pretty good luck.
Like, it just sticks to my finger for a little bit.
Do you want to grab another one?
Yep. I'm gonna pick this green one.
Green one?
I'm gonna pick the green one. It just hurt my finger. It's just stuck to my finger.
All right, here we go.
I think it's gonna be another sperm whale. Should you unravel it or not?
What do you think?
I think you should unravel it.
Yeah? All right, I'm gonna go in there and give it a little squeeze.
Oh,
Oh, it's stuck to my finger.
It's
It's
a
the
crab!
crab! It's hot.
Oh, I'm gonna get the fork.
I got it.
Dude. No, I wanna get the fork.
There you go.
Hey,
Got ourselves a crab.
we got ourselves a crab.
Woohoo!
Green crab.
A cute little green crab.
A cute little green crab.
You want to keep doing one by one, or do you want to throw a handful of those guys in there?
How about I just do all at once?
Not all of them. I think that's going to be too many. I think we should just do like maybe 3. What do you think?
Yeah, 3.
3? All right, pick out 3. And which ones do you think we're going to get?
One more and it's 3. What do we add?
Here we go.
We don't know if we're gonna get another squid or not.
You hope so?
Yeah, I hope so. I'm still hoping for the second squid.
Hey, Erica.
What?
So what's that red one we have?
I think it's the tuna.
I think it's the tuna.
I'm gonna scoop.
You want to scoop it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna scoop it out. Scoop it out. Yep, we got another one. Let's check if it's the tuna. Yep, it's definitely the tuna.
All right, I'm going to get these guys a little bit.
Unraveled. Unraveled. Is it
Poke 'em.
unraveled?
Poke 'em, poke 'em, poke 'em, poke 'em, poke 'em, poke 'em.
Poke 'em, poke 'em. Oh, I think we got our last one. I think we got our last sperm whale. On this one. On that one. On that one.
What's that?
It's another dolphin! It's a dolphin!
It's a dolphin?
Yes, see? It's definitely a dolphin. You see? It's like...
Oh, it's still squishy.
Oh. I could squeeze all the water out. Yep, definitely it.
You got a dolphin?
Yep, we got another...
Let's take a look.
This one's a shark.
We did get a shark.
We got our first dolphin. Oh my god.
We got a dolphin and we got a shark. So I was pretty happy about the shark. Where'd that shark go? This one? That's a dolphin. That's dolphin.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to pour some more hot water in this because we definitely get a faster response with hot water. Hold on. We are going to throw 4 more of these in there. But Erica, I think we should mark off which ones we already have. What do you think? I think we're gonna get seahorse, killer whale, manta ray, and a lobster.
Blah.
What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah?
Let's put them all in.
Put them all in. We got quite a few. Let's see what we have. We have manta ray. And we have a dolphin. We have an octopus. And whatever this is. What is that?
It is one with a ripped lip.
Oh! It's a sailfish.
It's a sailfish.
That's him. Mark him.
Oh, I forgot about to work. Ah!
What do we have left? Still the elusive seahorse and the lobster.
And this one. And
yep, the seahorse and the lobster. That's the only ones we haven't seen.
yeah, with those are the ones that we haven't
All right,
seen.
now take those ones.
We gotta take 5.
All right. So what do we have so far?
We get a lobster.
There's a lobster.
And we got a seahorse, which my mom was hoping for. We finally got it. Oh, it's even sticky.
Yeah, it's that capsule stuff.
The capsule
And I
stuff.
think this guy is another killer whale. Oh wait, that's right. Tallying. All right, so tally 1 killer whale.
Another killer whale.
Okay. And then 1 seahorse. Finally, after all this time. Look, these guys aren't even open yet. I'll give them a little help. Shrimp? What is this?
There's no shrimp.
Oh. Yes, there is. Shrimp. Nope.
Oh, it's a lobster.
It's a shrimp. Oh, it's a lobster. Okay.
It's a lobster.
It's a
I
lobster.
told you.
Okay. This is a what? Sailfish.
That's probably a sailfish.
Yep, I think that's another sailfish.
I think it's
And this guy just does not want to come to the party.
Oh, it's coming to the party. Oh, I think it's another whale.
Yeah.
Let me get this guy out.
And what is this thing? Erica, what do you think that thing is?
I think this is a.
I think it's a sailfish.
I think it's a sailfish too.
We've got 2 left. 2 more red ones.
It's barely even open. It's pretty.
I think taking the caps off makes it go by a lot faster.
Yeah. Where's the guy? Oh,
Hey, Erica, we got another whale.
nope. Nope, this is the last whale.
Yep.
Definitely the last whale.
All right, so tally the whale.
Tally.
I'm gonna squish this guy to see what we got. We got
Crushed.
brutal.
The
You want
last
lobster?
dolphin.
You always get dolphin. We got ourselves a dolphin.
Like,
Dolphin!
dude,
All right.
gross. That stuff is gross.
It's just sticky plastic.
Just-
All right, so mark down 1 more dolphin and 1 more whale.
One more dolphin and the last whale.
Yep, so we got 3 whales. Look at all these guys. Woohoo!
I'm gonna wash this.
You gonna go wash your hands?
I'm gonna get this off.
Okay, here are our final tallies for what animals we got in our Magic Grow capsules. 1 tuna, 1 crab, 2 dolphins, 1 lobster, 3 sperm whales, 1 manta ray, 1 squid, 3 sailfin marlins, 1 octopus, 1 shark, 2 killer whales, and 1 seahorse. Here they all are.
My mom put them in the chart. Right, Mom?
Sure
Put them
did.
in a chart. Put them in a chart. Bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us on our expanding with these little guys. But if you find any of these at Target, they really work. And you should actually make a video of them. And make sure to add warm water, too.
Yeah, so definitely add some warm water because then these things will actually work pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
And never touch that water. It's very hot. You could burn your finger off.
That's right.
You never want to burn your finger off. It's bad.
Right. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, everybody. Bye. Peace out.